I'm Jason from MetalTrace. Welcome to the MetalTrace Online Video User Guide. You can click the link in the description to open the playlist with all the videos. In this video, I will explain TraceBack information and show you how to add it to MTRs and other documents. So far, everything we've done in MetalTrace has been read-only. We haven't added or changed any of the data for these MTRs. TraceBack is the exception to that rule. What we're going to do now is add sale or use information to these MTRs. That way we can search for the MTRs by that new data. It's one thing to be able to trace documents for material in the warehouse. The true traceability is being able to track where material went after it was sold or used on jobs. Okay, we're signed into MetalTrace and on Easy Search. I still have my results on the screen from that video. I had searched for MTRs with heat number 12345 and 45678. And now I'll show you how to add traceback information to them. You can apply traceback info to more than one MTR at a time. So we recommend you search for all the heat numbers in an order in Easy Search, and then apply traceback once for all of them. I'm going to select these two MTRs and apply the traceback. I can either select MTRs individually by clicking the checkbox in front of each row like this, or if I want to include all the MTRs in the results, I can click the checkbox in the results header. Once I have the MTRs checked, I click on Traceback here. You'll notice there are 4 options. First is Apply Traceback. The other 3 apply Traceback the same, but automatically open either the print, email, or MetalTrace to MetalTrace screens right afterwards. So if you needed to apply Traceback data and needed to email the MTRs to your customer, you can select Apply Traceback and Email and save yourself a few mouse clicks. Click the link in the description to watch the user guide videos for printing, emailing, and MetalTrace to MetalTrace. I'm going to choose Apply Traceback. Your traceback fields will be slightly different than the ones I have. I start by typing the customer in the customer box. This is a smart dropdown. As I type, the list narrows, so after only a few letters, I can click the customer I want. You might have additional drop-down lists like the carrier box I have. Next will be the reference numbers to the sale or use itself. I'm going to fill in the project number, SO number, customer PO, and line number. Even though I only entered them once, they've been added to all the MTRs I selected. Once I click Apply, all these fields are now searchable using Easy Trace. I can search for the customer PO number and return all the MTRs for the material in that order. You can learn about Easy Trace in the link in the description. Join me in our next video, where I'll show you how to send MTRs using MetalTrace to MetalTrace.